Okay, guys, we're going to do a quick import of an existing level and add an existing level. So if I go to Add Existing, I'm going to select this barn example 01 that I have. I'm going to say Open. I'm going to use streaming method is going to be with Kismet, and let's move this out the way. So what you have to realize is that anytime, of course, you create any levels, that the coordinates that you create them at are usually the same. So when you want to create secondary levels, make sure that they are coordinates that will coincide with the level you're placing it in. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock this level here, and then I'm going to make this level the second level, the current level. And what I'll do is let's get rid of or hide by clicking on the eyeball here. Toggle this off so we don't see anything but the second level. Now, the second level actually has all this stuff that came in, the sky dome and everything. So first, let's get rid of a couple of things. So let's get rid of the sky dome. So we'll get rid of that. Boom. Let's see. What else do we want to get rid of? We'll get rid of our exponential height fog, right? Because we've already got one in there. We're going to get rid of our light mass volume, right? And then what we'll do is also get rid of the dynamic, dynamic lighting, get rid of our player start. I just created this very simple barn here. So what I'll do is then I'll go and I'll select all, right? And then what I'll do is I'll show the other level. But what I'll do is let's move. I'm going to move it right into the center. So I'm going to go look at it from the top view. Let's zoom on down in here. Let's maximize. So I'll go ahead and do this and this. Right, so I'll do that. Let's move it right to the corners here, like so. And then we'll go ahead and go back to our perspective view. We'll go ahead and unlock selected. We'll make our persistent level the current level, and there you have it. And now what I can do is I'll rebuild all, and then we can go into Kismet and we can stream this level in. We can stream it in and out like we want to. So let's build it first. Oops, my Internet Explorer is crashing on me. So we'll build this. Alright, so we'll do that. We'll close this. Those errors aren't that important. So we'll go ahead. Let me move this out the way. So we'll go to Kismet. I've already got some things set in here. I got some teleportation going on. Let's maximize this. So what I'll do first is I'm going to add in when level is loaded and visible, we're going to new event, level loaded. And so we'll take control, click this. So we'll say at the beginning of the level, we're going to actually go ahead and we're going to stream this level. So at the beginning of the level, we're going to unload it so that it's not showing, right? And So we'll actually go ahead, we'll change this max trigger to 0. So we've got our stream level in here. We're going to actually go ahead and place the name of the level, which is in this case, in this case it is barn example 01. So we're going to say barn example 01. Is that what it was? Let's double check. Yep. So let's go back, maximize. And so we're going to do that, and then what I'll do after that is, let's show, I'm going to stream it in. Let me move these over. Once I come into this level, what I'll do is, let's see, I guess I could, let's put a trigger volume right here at the beginning. I don't know, let's put one right in front of the cars here. So we'll say brush. Let's select the car and do brush, so it'll bring it over there. Let's grab it. Let's move the volume right here. We're going to do a trigger volume. Right? So we'll take this trigger volume, select it. We'll say right click. We'll say once we touch this trigger volume, once it's touched, we're going to load that level in. So let's go ahead and save and test it. Let's take a look. So no level. I can't see the middle level. Let's walk over. And I walk through the trigger volume, and the level in the middle showed up. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, guys.